Hey y'all, it's Kay. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Let's get into this V-part curly wig with no leave out. So before, if you watch my videos, I did a V-part wig on a Yaki straight wig, and this one is by UNice hair, and it is a curly wig. So if you are interested, all the details will be listed in my description box. But here are some of the things that came with this wig, and here is the wig itself. Like I said, it is a curly texture, but I'm not sure the length, but check the description box if you want to know the length of this wig. So here is the construction. It does come with like 5 clips that you clip into your hair. It also comes with a drawstring and a bigger comb in the nape area. And this is how my hair is started off. I just put it in 2 braids because I'm not leaving any hair out. This wig is perfect if you don't want to leave any hair out. Now beware, because when I first put this wig on, I was not feeling it. It literally looked like it was sitting on top of my head, honestly, and it didn't have no type of motion, like no motion at all. Okay, it was not doing anything for me. So I did go in and I cut some layers into this wig, and then it started all coming together once I defined the curls again and diffuse it. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut a few layers in it because, like I said, it just was like blah. It was not doing anything for me. And as you can see, like, trust the process, because this wig definitely looks like it's sitting on top of my head. I'm not even gonna lie. But like I said, it all comes together. I love the texture, I love the curls, especially from me cutting the layers in this. It works. So just in case you're getting tired of the lace wigs, definitely check out this V-part wig. And I did go in and define these curls before I actually put the wig on, so that's why I'm not like overly wetting the hair and redefining it. I just only wet the hair where I cut it, just to kind of get the curls back in there. But yeah, overall I like this wig. You're gonna see that this video is pretty quick, only because it was super quick to apply, and like I said, it cut down some time because I did define the curls before I actually wore this wig. But other than that, like, I have no complaints about this wig. It honestly gets the job done. The curls turned out so juicy, and I did end up wearing this as a like flip over, so you can flip this over as well, and it just looks super natural, especially if you wanted to like leave your hair out and blend it in. If you have this like curly textured type hair, definitely leave it out, and I feel like it will look more natural. But for me, not leaving any hair out and just, you know, leaving it like it is, I think that it looks so good. And as you can see, it's coming together. See, are we trusting the process now, y'all? Because at first it was not doing it for me, but these curls look so juicy. I feel like the cut made this wig. Okay, so I just start fluffing everything out, because the more I play around with it, the bigger this wig gets, which I absolutely love. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. You guys let me know what you think. Like I said, if you are interested, be sure to check my description box down below and click on that link. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.